up guys, it's Bailey. Today we are filming a super fun video in my opinion. I don't know. I hope you enjoy it. I was just about to make my dinner. Well, start making my dinner. It's 4:30 right now, so kind of early to start preparing dinner, but I was just bored and I'm hungry and it's like might as well eat. And I was like, you know, it would be kind of fun to like film a little like cook with me while answering some like juicy questions and like assumptions you have about me. So that's what we're doing. That is what we're doing. I've done a few cooking videos and I've done like answering juicy questions, but I've never done them together. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna make yet, but I have 3 options in mind just because, well, I'll explain in a second. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. I'm just hungry and like everything sounds good at the moment, so I can't really make a decision. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. I'm literally so excited to be able to like share this with you guys. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that makes eating well super easy and affordable. Green Chef has premium and organic ingredients that are key to helping you feel balanced and energized and just revitalized throughout the year. It's basically just a direct path to eating well super easily with like pre-chopped ingredients, pre-measured ingredients, and like step-by-step directions on how to prepare your meals. And the best part is it's delivered straight to your door. You don't have to literally run around the grocery store trying to find every single ingredient off the shelf and then get home and then realize you forgot something. They literally just send it to you and everything that you need to make great meals are literally in here. So easy. Like I mentioned, Green Chef is perfect for everybody because there's such a wide variety of meal plans that you can pick from. There's like keto, paleo, gluten-free, fast and fit, Mediterranean. There's just a super wide variety of super high quality clean ingredients and you actually feel good about putting it in your body. There has been so many times where I'm eating something and afterwards I just feel so like gross almost. But literally with Green Chef, after you eat, you feel how you're supposed to feel after you eat. You're supposed to feel energized and you're supposed to feel like ready to like continue your day. You guys can go to greenchef.com and use my code Bailey130 to get $130 off and free shipping on your first box. Like always, you guys can check the description box for more information, but I am actually getting hungry just talking about it, so we are gonna pick a meal to make. There's 3 different options that I have. This is what the boxes look like when you get it. They literally all sound amazing. I don't know what one to make. This is turkey tacos with mango and chimichurri slaw. I don't know if I said that right. I think I butchered it. All the ingredients are in here pre-packaged. There's like pineapple. It's all perfectly portioned. There's tortillas, more stuff, cheese, spices, sauce, literally everything you need. And then the ground turkey that comes with that. And then we have teriyaki pork fried rice. There's eggs in here, veggies, onion, everything you need. And then the last one is a chicken salad with red pepper and gremolata. Butternut squash. I don't know what one to make. Okay, I have all 3 of the recipe cards here. This is what the teriyaki pork fried rice will look like. And then here are the turkey tacos, and then this is the chicken salad. I think I'm gonna go with the teriyaki pork fried rice. This says that it takes 30 minutes total cook time. My eyes are watering. I still can't open my eyes all the way. I'm so hungry and it like already smells like food and I can't wait. We're cooking our pork now. Heat about 1/2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Seems about good. My rice is just about done. I'm gonna take it off the heat. This is so bad, I'm literally eating chips. Why are my eyes still burning? I don't want to start answering questions and then like forget about my food and then have it like burn. So first question, not very juicy. Are you a natural brunette? Yes, I am. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do. Kiss count. I would probably say like 15, 16 maybe. Assumption, you hate school. Another assumption says that you get really good grades. Yeah, I do get like pretty good grades. I had all A's. Well, I had 1 A- this last semester, and I don't really think I even like tried hard in school. I don't know, I just like get good grades even though I'm not very smart. Like, I don't know what that's all about. I assume you work out 24/7. That is just not true. I have not been to the gym in like 2 months, and I'm trying to work on it. I just haven't had the motivation to, and like I really want to start going again, but it's just been like difficult with like school and stuff. Do you want to travel after school? Yes, I really do. There's a particular place out of the country that I want to go like right when I graduate and stay there for like a month, and I really hope that will work out the way that I want it to. I'm not going to tell you guys where, because if it happens, I want it to be a surprise. Have you ever skinny dipped? I have. I'm gonna make my fried rice, but I'm just gonna make my food and then answer some more questions. This is what I'm going to add the rice to. I just know this is literally gonna be so good. Okay, I put some of the rice on my plate, and now I'm just going to scoop some of the pork on top, and then add my egg, and then add all of like the little toppings. Oh my gosh. This actually looks and smells amazing. Stop. This is so good. I don't really know why I put it on a plate and not in a bowl, but it works. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Hi everybody. It's kind of been a while. I finished eating and then I cleaned up my kitchen, which took me longer than actually making the meal took. And then I came upstairs and I took a shower. Don't really know why. Like, I took a shower this morning. And then after my shower, I just started editing a video, not even thinking about this video. It's literally been like an hour and I completely forgot about this video. Question: how do people treat you at school because of your channel? Honestly, like, not any different. Like, it never gets brought up. I mean, okay, that's not true. It occasionally gets brought up at school, like sometimes, not really this year, but like in previous years, like my teachers have found out and then like talked about it in front of like the whole class, and it's just like a whole kind of like awkward situation. But like for the most part, like it really doesn't even get brought up, and I don't feel like people treat me any differently. Like, I kind of just like steer clear of everybody and not talk to anybody. So someone asked, did I get a boob job? So funny story. So I don't know if any of you watching this saw my Instagram story like a couple weeks ago at like 3 a.m. Basically, I was with a bunch of my girlfriends and we were all like sitting around a table playing a card game. Playing one of those games that like comes in a box, like the super funny, like, I don't know exactly what it was, but basically my best friend Ryan got to post whatever she wanted on my Instagram story, and she said that she was taking over my Instagram, that I was recovering from a boob job. That's false. That was just like a joke. But a lot of people in my DMs were like, Bailey, what the hell? Like, have you gotten arrested? I have not gotten arrested. Don't plan to. You sneak out a lot. I actually don't sneak out at all. If I want to leave the house, I'll just be like, hey, I'm leaving. This is not really juicy, but how long have you and your boyfriend been dating for? A little over a year, technically, but we were together like before that, just like hanging out. Assumption: you party every weekend. What do you mean by that? When was the last time you cried? Like a couple days ago? What is your biggest turnoff in a guy? I don't really know. I don't really like a lot of things. I guess like the most important thing about anybody, whether that's a girl or a guy or like whoever, is hygiene. Like, if you just don't smell good, you don't look clean, and like it just instantly makes me not want to like talk to them. Like, the bar is really set low, but like literally just have good hygiene. I don't even know if I answered the question. Biggest turnoff in a guy: bad hygiene. Next assumption is your body count is double your age. That means my body count will be 32. No shade to anybody, but absolutely not. Next assumption says you don't shower. That honestly like breaks my heart. I feel like that is like the biggest hit to like my self-esteem. Do I look like I don't shower? Because I literally showered twice today. Oh no. I don't look good right now, but I don't think I look musty. Right? I'm wearing a grout fit. You had your first kiss later than most people. I was 12. So someone said you're the reason your parents got divorced. That's a bit harsh. Do you get lip injections? I do not get lip injections, and I don't see how you could think that because my lips are actually tiny. You're deaf a lightweight. I wouldn't necessarily say that. How many exes do you have? Literally like one. But I don't even count it. Like, I don't got exes. You aren't going to college. Probably not. See, that's the thing. I really don't want to answer this because I really don't know. I'm like 50-50 right now. Have you ever been sent to the principal? Yeah, I've been sent to the principal a couple times. I've gotten in trouble multiple times for like trying to film videos at school. I got in trouble in like 8th grade, got in trouble freshman year. So I was in the principal's office for that. You have crashed your car before. I actually have never gotten in a crash, knock on wood. I did hit somebody's car in the parking lot a couple months ago, but there was no damage to either of our cars. It was just like a little tap, you know, it was just a tiny little tap. I wasn't even pushing on the gas, like it was just like idling, and I also had my foot on the brake. It was quick, you know. Worst hookup story. I don't have any bad hookup stories. I've never, like, I don't like hook up with guys. Camera stopped recording because I've been recording too long, so I'm gonna end this video soon. But what I was saying, don't hook up with guys. 1, because I have a boyfriend. 2, I didn't even do that before I had a boyfriend. I know it differs from place to place. Like, it depends where you live, what you consider a hookup. Some like cities and states consider a hookup just like making out with someone. Where I live, hooking up is actually like sleeping with someone. I've never just like gone and hooked up with someone, so I don't have a bad hookup story. Rice purity score. I honestly don't remember. I feel like it was like 30 or something, 40. Is that bad? I don't know. What's yours? Have you ever been blacked out before? I haven't. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to end this video now just because the Packer game is on. I don't really care about it, but like, I'm gonna watch it. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Again, if you're interested at all in trying out Green Chef, you can go to greenchef.com and use my code Bailey130 for $130 off and free shipping on your first box. Tell your parents to get this. Get it yourself. I feel like everybody's gonna love it. So definitely check it out if you want to. Love you guys. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.